Welcome back to Apex Chronicles, where we unveil the stories behind the products that move the world. Today, we're peeling back the layers of an industry entwined with the very essence of our everyday existence, yet often overseen until the moment of need, a realm where innovation meets necessity, the tire industry. Imagine a giant, sleeping. With each breath, a slow pulse of change, a subtle growth. Think of an empire resting on low margins, yet commanding a market worth a staggering $50 billion. This is none other than the tire industry. In a world where competition is fierce and the balance of power is as unpredictable as the weather, this industry stands tall, but it's not without its Achilles heel. The threat? Spikes in raw material costs that can sway the market overnight. In this colossal industry, there's a peculiar paradox. Though these products carry us across miles, save lives with a sudden stop, and brave weather extremes to keep us on our path, they are often seen simply as commodities, where the price tag becomes the ultimate battlefield. But what lies beyond the price? What stories are etched into the very tread of these marvels of engineering? Join us as we embark on an adventure not just to uncover the pulse of innovation that drives this industry, but to celebrate the unsung heroes and the relentless pursuit of perfection that shapes our journey on the road. If you're fascinated by the stories of what moves our world, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell to never miss a beat from Apex Chronicles. In a world racing towards a greener future, electric vehicles, EVs, emerge as beacons of progress. Silently cruising our streets, they symbolize the dawn of a new, cleaner era. Yet beneath their quiet elegance, a story of profound transformation unfolds, touching the very core of industries that cradle them into existence. Today, we unveil the trajectory of a sector profoundly influenced by this revolution. Imagine tires not as mere parts, but as central figures in the evolving narrative of electric mobility. These hidden gems are confronting challenges that were unimaginable just a decade ago, crafted to shoulder heavier burdens and to embrace the rush of rapid acceleration. EV tires are pioneers in their own right, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from performance. However, this advancement demands its own price. These tires are 50% more expensive and succumb to wear and tear 20% faster than their traditional counterparts. This transformation, while costly, is evidence of the unwavering pursuit of innovation and sustainability. As we venture further into this story, let us acknowledge the resilience and ingenuity that pave our path towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. In the quiet before dawn, a slow, persistent tide rises, signaling the changing currents of market dynamics and growth within the tire industry. As our gaze shifts towards the horizon, we see a forecast that speaks in subtle tones, a global tire demand growth projecting at a mere 0.8% through the year 2027. It's a tranquil growth, almost whispering in its approach, yet profound in its implications. Amidst this seemingly serene landscape, giants roam. These are not the titans of old myths, but rather titans of industry, whose very steps shape the terrain itself. A few prominent manufacturers have deeply ingrained their presence firmly into the fabric of the market, casting long, indomitable shadows across the US sales landscape. These titans, wielding their vast influence, command more than half of the market's prowess, a testament to their enduring legacy and strategic foresight. This delicate dance of growth and consolidation weaves a story far richer than the numbers might suggest. It speaks of resilience, of dreams meticulously crafted and realized in rubber and tread. As we gaze into the future, let this story evoke within us a deep gratitude for the quiet protectors of our travels, for in their steadfastness lies the assurance of our shared journey, relentlessly advancing into tomorrow. As the wheel of time revolves, it brings with it the winds of change and the essence of innovation, bubbling through the tire industry like a quietly powerful force. Our journey now leads us to a realm where science and artistry converge, where advanced rubber compounds are alchemized and tread patterns are finely etched with almost sacred precision. This is not solely a pursuit of performance, it is a deeper calling, a quest for an elemental harmony between the vehicle and the whispering asphalt. Within this chapter of innovation, the narrative of electric vehicles, EVs, unfolds with particular care. For them, the dance of tire technology is a delicate ballet, with each movement calculated to quiet the hum of the road, to make the passage of wheels a thing of grace and near silence. Reducing noise is not merely a feature, it is the crafting of serenity. Optimizing energy efficiency through improvements in rolling resistance is not optional, it is profoundly essential to the symphony of sustainable progress. These technological marvels stand testament to the tire industry's commitment to not just adapt, but to lead in the era of electric mobility. With each stride forward, they cradle our travels, ensuring that the rhythm of our drive is in tune with the environment. This is the innovation that propels us, that transforms our travels into harmonious journeys, and that underscores the silent revolution rolling beneath us. In the story of progress, every account of success is accompanied by its challenges, and the journey of innovation within the tire industry is no different. The path ahead, illuminated by the promise of electric vehicles, EVs, is shadowed by the undeniable challenge of wear and tear on their steadfast companions, their tires. This challenge is not merely a footnote, it lies at the very heart of the EV experience. The core of electric vehicles, their substantial weight from battery packs, and the thrill of their instant torque, while defining their allure, equally accelerates the wearing of their tire treads. These guardians of grip and grace on the roads face an arduous task, where their demise is hastened by the characteristics that make EVs so remarkable. Add to this the sophisticated regenerative braking systems designed to reclaim energy, and we encounter a paradox where innovation begets the need for frequent renewal. This reality of EV ownership, where the embrace of the future comes with its own set of demands, is a poignant reminder of the symbiotic relationship between progress and perseverance. The rapid journey forward is not without its stops for reflection and recalibration, with each tire replacement serving as a tangible testament to the relentless pace of innovation and the enduring spirit of sustainability. Amidst the shadows cast by challenges, there lies a shimmering beacon of opportunity, illuminating the path toward uncharted territories in the EV tire segment. As the automotive landscape experiences a significant transformation, tire manufacturers stand on the cusp of a new dawn, a moment teeming with potential and pregnant with promise. This is not merely a turn in the road, it is a pivot towards a future where the very economics of tire production are reimagined and re-engineered to embrace the demands of a rapidly evolving industry. The horizon brightens with the prospects of market growth, propelled by the unstoppable advance of electric vehicles. Their ascent heralds a burgeoning demand for tires designed to shoulder the unique burdens of EVs, from their weighty silence to the surge of their acceleration. This growing demand calls upon tire manufacturers to explore uncharted territories, to innovate and develop materials and methods that resonate with the principles of environmental stewardship and sustainable mobility. As tire manufacturers answer this call, the future unfurls like a road before them, paved with opportunities for growth, innovation, and transformation. This journey forward is more than an advancement in tire technology, it's a commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable future. And as the industry embraces these opportunities, it steps into a role that is not just about crafting tires, but about shaping the world on the move. The road that unfolds before us is not just asphalt and lines. It is a complex tapestry woven with the threads of innovation and the need for visionary foresight. The tire industry stands at a crossroads where the rich legacy of traditional mobility meets the nascent, yet urgent, needs of electric vehicles. A meeting that demands a strategic revolution and not just a mere evolution. This pivotal moment calls for vigorous research and an unyielding spirit of development as tire manufacturers gird themselves for a future that is malleable and unknown. They must be ready to adapt, innovate, and expand, ensuring that the world moves not just with speed, but also with the assurance of sustainable, reliable mobility beneath its wheels. As we travel this transformative path, the importance of understanding the role of tires becomes paramount. These silent sentinels carry more than vehicles. They support our collective march towards a sustainable future, a journey made with mindful steps, conscious of the delicate balance that sustains our planet. We invite you to join this captivating story, to journey with us through the threads of possibility and the loops of opportunity. Together, let's embark on a journey into a narrative brimming with the promise of a brighter, cleaner world, a world that progresses mile by mile, revolution by revolution, through the silent force of strategic thinking and meticulous capacity planning. Subscribe to Apex channel and join us as the tire story unfolds, unveiling the pathways to tomorrow.